This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by James David. Lakefront home. This is not your typical cooker-cutter home. This unique cozy cottage home boasts an open floor plan, 3/2 halves, that overlooks a serene lake, great for fishing, canoeing, boating, or just relaxing and enjoying all the amazing views and wildlife galore. From your large master suite with walk-in closet, you will also have a gorgeous lake view that you will want to wake up to every morning. There is plenty of room for your dream pool in the backyard, as outdoor space is key here with a rear screen lanai 12x33, 396 square feet, and a side screen lanai 10x20, 200 square feet, with a pass-through serving window. Renovations in 2017 include all new kitchen, bath, porch flooring, privacy fencing, appliances, AC unit, water heater, inside and outside new paint and flooring, and a large 12x16 storage shed for extra storage and room for your riding mower. You will have lots of space for cars and trucks with an oversized carport 22x26 that is a whopping 580 square feet. There is plenty of room for your RV or camper to be stored behind the fenced-in yard out of sight. With a location close to everything you need, you are only 15 minutes to beaches, shopping, fishing, tarpon tournament capital of the world, new Braves baseball stadium, and only 7 minutes to Stone Crab baseball stadium and the mall. Also, life is better than good here. It's Florida awesome. Showings for pre-qualified buyers by appointment only, so make yours today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to live your Florida dream on the lake. For more information, review the details below.